Alright, so there we have engine 4 on scene of, not really sure what's going on. This is the brand new engine, of course. Got one of their compartments open. The guys are over there. I heard this truck responding earlier to something. It was blasting its horn and responding with PA 300, obviously. But yeah, I'm gonna walk across the street so I can get a little bit of a better shot of the engine. Alright, so here it is. Mount Vernon engine 4. More of an up-close view of it. On scene of something. Not nearly sure what's going on. Kinda sad it doesn't have a Q though. That's one thing I was hoping when I heard we were getting the new engine. I was hoping that it'd be equipped with the Q siren. Alright, well, I think Alright, I think I'm gonna head out now.